हाय no, मैंने फैन नहीं बंद किया. Hello beautiful faces, my name is Richa Pandey and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I thought of vlogging today and I'm so confused. Should I look over here or should I look there? Because I don't have my chota wala tripod. It's in the another room and I can't go. So today is a very busy day in my life. I just thought of filming it and show it to you guys. I don't know, you might be interested or not, but I just thought of doing it. So I have created this look today. Like the first video which I shot, I have created this look. And I don't know, this look video is going to go first or this vlog will go first. And I have made that YouTube shorts video, not a long makeup video. And today I received my Amazon parcel. I have placed the order. Like I placed for 4 products. 2 are lipsticks, inside lipsticks. One is a moisturizer and the third one is the mask eyeshadow palette. Interested to know कि ऐसा क्या है उसमें कि इतना buzz है. So I finally ordered that. So we will be opening that box. Also I have ordered a blush, liquid blush from NICCI Skincare. So even I'm going to open that. And the another parcel which I'm going to get tomorrow, I will be opening it tomorrow. Oh my god! Wow! We'll be vlogging for 3-4 days maybe. What is 3-2 days? Oh my god. Okay, so I will be vlogging for like 3-4 days or maybe a week. I don't know, because I'm going to get one more parcel. So I will be just opening my parcels in this vlog and doing the whole review and showing exact what product is in a different video. So I have to shoot one more video after this. Like I'm going to make one more video, a makeup video. So first I need to just change my look and get back to you guys again, and then we will open the boxes. Using my makeup, and usually I use this coconut oil and kapda. So let's do that. First let me remove my earrings. Like they are heavy. You can see it gets removed so easily. I want to buy that microfiber cloth. You know, that will be more convenient, I think. Even it do the job. You can see like my makeup is getting removed. If you'll follow me on Instagram, I have already posted a video of this look already. So you all know what I'm going to do and post today. So now let me go and wash my face and change my clothes and come back. So I'm back. I have changed and I have to film another video, a makeup video, an Indian makeup video which I will be filming next after this. But before that, let's open the boxes which I have received. The very first thing which I ordered was this. This is I said this is from NICCI, and this is their cheeky blush and lip gel. The more or not. So I have opened it. They have not given any box. I wish they should have given. Oh, I have this. So satisfying. Okay. Here we have. Let's do this. This is so satisfying. You know, I thought that I will film the Amazon video as well today, but I didn't receive the parcel, so I will be reviewing this together with the Amazon haul. So that's it for now. Let's move on to the Amazon one. So, oh my god, my address. So here we have. I like them sends boxes now. I just like that because more safer. at all. Okay, fine. Here we are. I am very excited for this product because I can't even tell you how much I waited for this. So again in a bubble wrap. I hope it's not broken. So here we have. So next I have this packet which my father gave it to me and he bought it from a random seller. So we have all, these are all accessories, okay. So the very first one is this clips. You can see, let me remove and show. Like my father got me all the trendy accessories, I must say. So this is so cute. So like this came together with this one. Next up is this one. Just look at this. Just look at this. How beautiful are they? Like they are all, this are diamonds. I'm just going to use them all for my makeup videos. This has my heart. I am telling you guys, like this has my heart. So beautiful. Just look at it, so cute. This one. This. And like we have like a pair of 4. We got these clips. Just look at them. Like I have 4. Next we have in green. I have all the trendy pieces with me. I'm so happy. 3. We have the same green one. So even they are like 4. And I have this white. And we got this white. So मेरे पास 2 हो गए twin. So भाई exactly same चीज़ है. And we have this earring. So pretty. So I'm very happy that my father bought this for me. Like मेरा पूरा एक्सेसरीज हो गया. पर्सनली मैं एक्सेसरीज नहीं लेती. Like मैं इतनी शौकीन नहीं हूँ. So my father bought this all. I'm so happy. Okay, so I'm ending this over here and will continue tomorrow when I will receive my Amazon parcel. And yeah, bye. So I finally got my Amazon parcel, the last Amazon parcel yesterday. Just right before I just wind up my shoot, I received the parcel. And I was feeling so frustrated because I wanted to shoot the whole video yesterday. So anyways, let me open that. So here we have, and I don't even remember what is there inside it. Let's see. I just took shower and I came to film because I just don't want to waste my time. I just want to film every single day. So finally after trying, I'm here. Okay, so this is the moisturizer. You all remember I got this in PR package, and after that I started using it. My mom loved it, I loved it, so I have ordered it from my own money. It's not again a free product. Next up we have the last box from Amazon, and this is the lipstick. I've ordered 2 shades, that mini lipsticks. My god, it's packed so. It's legit staple from No. Just see. Yesterday I had a dream. I just love to. It's my dream to do paragliding, and I saw a dream where I was doing paragliding and my phone broke, and at the very same moment someone gifted me iPhone 12 Pro Max just because my phone got broke. I was like, it should have been in reality. Okay, so here we have the lipstick. So now I will be just filming my Amazon video. Oh my god, no, the shades are cheap. I don't want this shade. Oh my god. Shit. Okay, so now I'm not going to open this. I'm just filming the Amazon haul right next after this. So I will meet you once my Amazon haul video gets ready. And I have one more parcel which is a gift to me, and I don't know when it is going to come. Once it comes, I will add that clip too, and that will be it for the vlog. This is the last parcel which I was been waiting for my vlog so that I can end that vlog. So finally it has arrived, and I have got this as a prize from Zingling. So here it is. So let's unbox it together. It's like packed so nicely. I'm literally struggling to remove it. My god. I have to keep it in this angle so that you can see this. Yeah, you can't see my pretty face right now. Also, I forgot to off the fan, so please bear with me. Oh my goodness. So yes, that's it for this vlog, and finally I'm ending this. I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. If you did, you know what you have to do: like, share and subscribe to my channel.